Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static riced strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and avoid any static damage to the components. First, power off your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the upgrade process. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After the panel is removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the RAM slots, which are typically situated near the center of the motherboard. If you're unsure, refer to your laptop's manual for specific details. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the RAM slots using compressed air. This will help remove any dust or debris that could interfere with the installation. Now, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. However, if you're ready to continue, gently release the clips on either side of the existing RAM module. The RAM should pop up at an angle, allowing you to remove it easily. Take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Ensure the notch on the RAM matches the key in the slot. Insert the RAM at a 30-degree angle and press down firmly until the clips click into place, securing the module. After installing the new RAM, it's essential to double-check that everything is seated correctly. Revisit the area and ensure there are no loose connections. Once satisfied, replace the back panel of your laptop, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Before powering on your device, it's wise to perform a final check. Ensure that all screws are tightened and that there are no tools left inside the laptop. Now, reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. Upon booting, you can check if the new RAM is recognized by your system. Simply right-click on this PC, select Properties, and look under Installed RAM. If you see the new amount listed, congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your Lenovo IdeaPad Flex-15IIL. If you encounter any issues, or if the laptop doesn't boot, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Our professional diagnosis without obligation can help identify any problems quickly. Enjoy your enhanced laptop performance. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.